On the menu today, I have the Stovetop blueberry streusel topped with a rich Bavarian cream. The best part about this dessert, aside from the ridiculously delicious Bavarian cream topping, is that it's all done on the stovetop. No oven required. Okay, enough with the intros, let's get into the kitchen. First up on the prep list is the rich blueberry filling. Get a saute pan on medium heat and add in your blueberries, sugar, lemon zest, lemon juice, and cornstarch. Then get this up to a simmer and cook for about 5 minutes or until it's thickened up pretty good. Remove it from the heat, and here I'm going to add some of my homemade blackberry jam to give it a personal touch, but any dark berry jam will work just fine. Mix that in and set the filling aside. For the custard prep, we're going to make a simple pastry cream. So heat up your milk in a small pot to around 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Then in a mixing bowl, add in your egg yolks and whisk together the sugar and cornstarch until smooth. Slowly pour the hot cream into the eggs while whisking, then return the custard base to the pot and cook on low to medium heat until it has thickened up quite a bit. Just make sure to take the pot off the stove occasionally to prevent the bottom from overcooking. This will take around 3 to 5 minutes to achieve. Once the pastry cream is finished, you're going to transfer it to a small bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and place it into the fridge to cool down. Now it's time for that beautiful stovetop streusel that we talked about in the beginning of the video. Add in the flour, sugar, salt, vanilla, and cold diced butter to a mixing bowl and give it a good blend with your hands to achieve something in between mealy and a chunky mix. Then get your pan on medium heat, add in the topping, and cook for about 10 minutes while constantly stirring to prevent any bits from getting too dark. Next up on the prep list is the Bavarian cream. So you're going to simply whisk together some heavy cream, vanilla, and sugar in a mixing bowl until it reaches soft peaks. Once that's done, whip up the pastry cream that was made earlier until very smooth. Sometimes it needs to be adjusted with a little bit of milk if it's too thick, but once the texture roughly matches the consistency of the whipped cream, fold in a few good dollops into the cream. Just be careful to not deflate the whipped cream during the mixing process. Now that everything is ready to go, it's time to assemble this beautiful dessert. Add a few spoonfuls of the warm blueberry filling to a serving dish and top that with a generous amount of the stovetop streusel. Top that with a good dollop of the Bavarian cream, and this dish is ready for the table. Stovetop recipes are always good to have in your back pocket. When you want to throw something together in a pinch, people will think you spent all evening in the kitchen toiling away for a dessert of this nature. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like and share button to spread this recipe far and wide, and make sure to drop a comment letting me know your thoughts on it. I hope to see you guys next time with another delicious dish, but in the meantime, stay creative in that kitchen of yours. Later, folks.